Today, I will be showing you how to turn on ray tracing in Wuthering Waves. Before anything else, it's important to note that ray tracing is only available on supported graphics cards. If your GPU does not support ray tracing, this option will not appear in the settings. Once you're inside the game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will bring up your profile menu, also known as the terminal. From the terminal menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for and click on the image icon, which contains the game's visual and graphics options. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the ray tracing option. Once you see it, toggle it on. After enabling ray tracing, you can choose the quality level. You can set it to low, medium, or high, depending on your system's performance and preference. Keep in mind that higher settings may impact performance, so feel free to adjust it based on what runs best on your device. Finally, for the changes to fully take effect, restart the game. And that is how to turn on ray tracing in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.